All right, I just got these. Let's open them up. Bam. I'll show you how they work. These are ties, or what they call zip ties. So anyway, if you look on this one side, you've got a little clip right in there. Let's see if you can see it. And then this one here is going to slide through there. And it has like little ridges here that lock in. So it's like it catches like that, right? So you push it through like that. And then when you pull it, it won't come back out. And it's on there tight. So that's how you do it. You could do it around, you know, this is how the cops do it, right? Ah! You don't want to pull it tight on your hands, you'll never get it off. But anyway, that's your zip tie right there. And you can use these for so many things. They're really very versatile. I'm going to use them today to lock a piece onto a 4x4 because I don't really want to screw it in there. And I just want to put it up there to see what it's going to look like. And I'm going to use these to test it out. All right, let's give it a shot and see what happens. All right, so what I want to try to do is I want to put this like right here. See if we can hang that up on there. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Because it's pretty heavy. You know what I mean? So we'll see. Oh shoot, it's going to rain. So this is what I'm thinking. I put it on there like that, then lock it down, and then slide that back on. So that's what I think I'm going to do, right? Like that. So we'll just put this through here. You see, like this. Right now, gives me some leeway on it. And then we're going to come up here. I'm just going to slip it over this. Like that. And I'm going to tighten it down. I just got to pull it like this. And now I've got that set on there. Now the question is, will it support the weight of that? I don't know. We're going to give it a try though. We're going to give it a try and see what happens. Maybe too heavy. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna break. Oh, that did not work. All right. Well, we're gonna have to figure out. We're gonna have to screw this in. I think that's the only way it's gonna work. Not strong enough.